to either release any information it has about these mysterious drone sightings or shoot the drones out of the sky. How do you respond to the president-elect?
Well, first of all, the statements I've made already are the principal message that I want to communicate to the American public. We haven't seen anything unusual. We know of no threat.
Nothing unusual, and they know of no threat.
This started as some questions, and now it's reached a point of almost insanity. You think about a United States senator who has to go out with the local police to look for drones. That's where a United States senator is getting information. We had a briefing from the state police, the colonel in the state police. He was frustrated. He had no idea where these drones are coming from. Not only did I call for a limited state of emergency and the FAA shutting down the airspace for drones, but also having the Department of Defense come in and answer questions. If the Department of Defense doesn't know where the origins are for these so-called drones, then we're in trouble. We always thought that if there was something in the air the size of a car, that the Department of Defense would know where it came from, what its origin was, and what its purpose was. Now you have a United States senator going out with the local police, to look for fireworks at night? That is scary.
It is terrifying. Like Caitlin just reported, President-elect Trump is calling for government transparency, which you are as well. He's saying maybe shoot them down if we don't get any more information. What is your reaction to that?
Yes, I don't think anyone needs to be shooting down anything. But I do think we have to take some type of measures, because this is wild. What do you guys think? Should we be shooting them down? Like this guy right here? Either he's a bad shot or he just has a bad gun for the job. Missing. Oh, looked like he got him one time. So I saw some stuff saying that these are big enough to actually, some of them are big enough to actually carry people. So you could be firing on civilians out there. Wow. Could you imagine? Your neighbor shooting at some drones? Have you seen those drones actually come after people and shoot them down? In wars and stuff? That stuff is scary. I saw some horrific videos. Welcome to the Market Moon Lord, where we merge the matrix with the stars. I'm your host, Jason Alexander, Blue Moon and Neptune, here to help you navigate through the illusions of life. And we're going to call this series Pluto and Aquarius. All right. It's an exciting time, low-key scary time. But any astrologer would have told you that Pluto and Aquarius was going to come in with a bang, and it's going to continue to, increase in volatility when it comes to the weirdness. Okay, Pluto and Aquarius is the definition of aliens, the definition of robots, AI, extreme technology. Just advancing and all that kind of thing. So we will be tracking that, and just I'm not going to make it too much about astrology, just the fact that, I'm just going to try to bring you guys news that is Pluto going to Aquarius type worthiness, right? And this drone phenomenon in New Jersey is definitely one of those situations. If they're even drones, there's all sorts of people saying all sorts of things. The weird thing about it is the government's not giving us a straight answer, because they're just basically saying they don't really know what's going on, which is wild work. Okay. So let's just browse, see what else we find. But there's all sorts of weird, different type of imaging on these drones. A lot of different theories out there on what it is. And there's some interesting photos of supposedly photographers who have taken these photos of these drones, and they don't look like regular drones. So we'll take a look at all that sort of thing. You guys let me know what you think. Let me know if you guys think Trump should be shooting these things down, or is that going to create a bigger problem on our hands?
We've had Chinese spy balloons and now drones spying on our military bases and our homes. Here's how to solve that little problem. Grab your shotgun, aim it, and have the guts to shoot it down. It's that simple.
What the fuck is that, fool? What? Whoa! Nah! Hey, bro, it's gonna start shaking. Hey, bro, that might be a plane, fool. Bro, that might be a plane, gang. Oh, y'all, what the fuck?
Looks bigger than a drone, that's for sure.
It hit. It already hit. I know it hit. That should just hit.
What the?
Tonight, the investigation into reports of small car-sized drones hovering over New York and New Jersey is deepening.
Oh, it's slowing down.
Tonight, authorities in Toms River, New Jersey, launching their own drone offensive for a closer look. Their eye in the sky, capturing one of the drones in motion.
You're not targeting or going after them, so to speak. Is there a methodology and reason why?
Well, right now we just want to identify what it is. The way it was explained, they're 2 feet bigger than our drones, or 2 times the size rather, so they're about 4 feet, and it looks like it's a fixed wing type craft. What concerns us mostly is that at this point nobody's seen any of these units taking off or landing.
That's interesting. They're not seeing them take off or land. That's crazy. Look at these images. I mean, I could see that, you know, some of this is just weird and probably not true and edited, but there's just a lot of different weird imaging going on with the situation. Do you guys think it's more than just man-made? This is the pic that is circulating by the photographer. I mean, that is something else. Very unique piece of work. Wow. Interesting.